Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world and a significant e-commerce cloud services provider. There are millions of retailers selling their wares in this marketplace. Amazon opens sellers to a wealth of opportunities for turning a huge profit from selling their products. However, given the strict guidelines and standards of the marketplace, maintaining a healthy seller account is a must to scale your business. To maintain a healthy seller account and take your business to the next level, you need to know the basic things about Amazon account management services. In this episode, we will walk you through some basic things about Amazon account management that you need to do regularly. Now let's take a look at what is Amazon account management. Amazon account management services include everything like creating your Amazon seller account, registering your brand, product listing, order management, Amazon advertising management, etc. These services are carried out to maintain your healthy seller account and scale your business. Now let's see how you can manage your Amazon seller account. Amazon seller account management involves many services that are mentioned as follows: adding products, fix incomplete listings, upload videos on listings, updating price and quantities using loader file, existing or catalog listings, FBA to FBM conversion, managing promotions, coupons and discounts, managing advertising, ManagingA+Content, creating stores, creating virtual bundles, Amazon Repricing Tools, inventory reports, performance analyzing, checking listing tools, parental issue fixing, applying variation wizard, and contacting seller support. This is Anon from Boost on Amazon. Before exploring this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Boost on Amazon. Also, hit the bell icon to get more videos on Amazon. So, let's dive into the computer screen and deeply understand the step-by-step process. Adding products. Adding products on Amazon sounds easy way. You can list your products in two ways. There are listing items manual on Amazon, listing items using bulk file. To list your products on Amazon manually, first log into your seller account and click the sidebar menu. Then you can see the Add Products tab under the catalog page. After that, you will see Find your products on Amazon's catalog page on that page. Please click on I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. Now, you can see the products category page. From here, you need to choose your desired product category. You can choose the product category from the search option or select the product category from the selected category option under the browse section. So I am searching the area categories as an example. After selecting your targeted category, you need to fill up all the required attributes from the product identify tab. Then click continue and fill up these required attributes. Otherwise, you are unable to move on to the next slides. Please go to the every menu tab like virtual info, offer, product details, variations, safety and compliance, images, and shipping page, and fill up all the required fields according to your products. After filling up all the mandatory fields, please recheck them once again and press the save and finish button to complete the process. It will take a maximum of 15 minutes to publish the items if you are not getting any issues. To list multiple products at once by using a bulk, go back to the home page and click the catalog page again. Then go to the add a product via upload page. Now click on the download spreadsheet option from this page. Then click get your product template under the list products not currently in Amazon catalog tab. Then select which portals you want to sell your items. I am selecting Amazon.com. Then search your preferable category on the search box. After finding the category, then select your category and scroll down. Then click on the generate template option and download your feed file. Please open your generated feed file and fill up all the required fields according to your products like product type, SKU number, brand name, product ID type, etc. After completing your feed file, please upload your spreadsheet tab under the add products via upload page. Then drag and drop your prepared feed file or click on the browse files options to upload your file from your computer. Now, you are just one step away from listing your products via feed file. Please press the upload file button to complete your process. This will take you to the spreadsheet upload status page and you can see the result here. If you receive any error, you can check it and download your processing report option. Fix incomplete listing. Also, if any listing are not completed, you can fix them easily. To fix incomplete listing, go to the complete your draft from the catalog page and fix them one by one according to the error comments. Upload video on listings. To upload your products videos in the listings, go to the catalog page and select Upload and Manage Videos from the drop-down menu. Then click the Upload Video button. Please select your video from the computer. Input the ASIN number and titles less than 60 characters for your products. And press the Upload Video button for submitting or uploading your video. Updating price and quantity using loader file. To update the product price and quantity by using inventory loader file, go to the catalog page and click the Add Products via Upload page. Then download the Get Listing Loader template under the Download Spreadsheet tab. Fill a file with appropriate product information. You need to provide SKU number, product ID type, price, and quantity. When you finish filling up, save the file. Then upload your file on Amazon from the Upload Your Spreadsheet section. This will take a maximum of 15 minutes to update the price and quantity. Existing or catalog listings. You can create existing listings which are created by a different seller. This is called Amazon catalog listings. To add an existing listings, go to catalog menu and click on the Add Product option from the drop-down. Right now, you need to search for the appropriate items by their ASIN, UPC, or name, the search option. After that, you will select a condition on your right side. Click here and select the condition. After selecting the condition, click on the Sell This Product option. Now you must fill up all the required fields from the offer page. To complete the process, press the Save and Finish button. Also, you can do it by using the inventory loader file. FBM to FBA conversion. FBM stands for Fulfillment by Merchant, which means the sellers has to handle all the procedure like order, delivery, return, etc. And FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which means everything will be handled by Amazon, like delivery, returns, refund, even review. To convert your FBM listing to FBA without creating new listings, go to Manage All Inventory from the Inventory tab. Then search your item to which one you want to convert FBM to FBA. After finding your item, click on the Edit button beside the product listing. After that, you need to click on Change to Fulfillment by Amazon from the drop-down menu. Then you need to follow the procedure to convert the items to FBA. Also, you can convert your items to FBA by using the inventory loader file. Managing promotions. If you want to give promotions to your products, go to Promotions from the Advertising menu tab. After that, a promotion page will appear. On that page, you will find 3 types of promotions such as social media promo code, percentage off, and buy one get one. For the percentage off promotion, click on the Create button. Now fill up all the required section here and then a percentage off promotion will be created. For social media promo code and buy one get one, you have to follow the same procedure as the percentage off promotion. Coupons and discounts. If you want to add coupons and discounts offer for the customers, you can also add them. To add a coupon, go to the advertising and you will find coupon page will appear here. You also add coupons on your listings using manually or bulk. Also for the discount, go to the advertising and press on the price executive discounts and follow the further steps. Managing advertising. You can do pay-per-click advertising, which is called PPC. You can do it with the help of the campaigning manager option under the advertising menu tab. After that, you need to click on the Create Campaigning button. Then you can see 3 types of campaign under the Choose Your Campaign Type tab, which are sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored displays. Now you need to give the campaign names, campaign start and end date. Then you need to set your daily budget under the setting tab. After that, you need to set the targeting. There are 2 types of targeting, automatic targeting and manually targeting. Right after, you need to give the ad group name and add your products from the ad group settings and product sections. Also, you can add negative keywords targeting here. At last, providing all the information, you need to click on the Launch Campaign button to complete the process. Managing A+Content. If your brand is registered with Amazon Brand Registry program, you can use A+Content. To do this, go to the Advertising, then click on A+Content Manager from the drop-down. Now, you need to click on Start Creating A+Content, and you will be able to create your A+Content right away by following further steps. Creating stores. If you want to create your brand store page, you need to have a brand registry first. Then you can create your brand store on Amazon. To create a store, go to the stores, then click on Manage Stores. Now you will find Create a Store button in the middle of the page. I have also created my brand store. That's why you are not seeing these options. Creating virtual bundles. If you have the brand registry, then you can create virtual bundles from the Brands tab. From here, you can sell your 2 or more products together. Amazon Repricing Tools. You can do repricing by using Amazon Repricing Tools, which is under the Pricing tab. You need to click on Automated Pricing and then need to follow the procedures. You need to set a pricing rule and click on the Create a Customized Pricing Rule. Then you need to choose what type of rule you want to create from the drop-down, and then you need to give a name for the rule. Now click on the Proceed to Marketplace Selection button. Inventory Reports. You can generate inventory reports from the Reports tab. Then click Inventory Reports and select report type from here, and then click the Request Report button. Performance Analyzing. You need to regularly follow up on your seller account health from the Performance tab. If you find any issues, then you need to fix the problem from here. You will find all the policy compliance, shipping performance on your account health page. Checking listing tools. You can check listing tools every day. If you receive any suppressed error or listing quality error, you can fix them from here. Parental Issue Fixing. Parental relation is broken, which is called the split issue. You can fix the split issues by using feed files. Applying Variation Wizard. Sometimes you need to update your product's information, but Amazon is not updating information. In this case, you need to apply the Variation Wizard process, which means you need to delete your items using the inventory loader file, and you need to wait for 48 hours at least. After that, you need to release the items by using updated performance. Also, if you want to know how it works with Amazon Variation Wizard, please watch our previous video and link in the video description. Contacting seller support. Also, regularly, you may face various issues. Sometimes you can fix them easily, and sometimes you may not be able to fix them by yourself. In this case, you need to contact Amazon support and you need to create a case on Amazon. For that, click on the Help button. Then scroll down and you can find Need More Help. Then click the Get Support for further steps. After that, you need to click on the Selling on Amazon button. Then select or browse for your issues in the menu. Now you need to select the category of which types of issue you are facing. Please describe everything regarding your issues. Then send your case. You can create a case or you can schedule a call with Amazon. Also on Amazon UK, you can do live chat as well. To sum up, starting and developing a thriving business on Amazon, you need to follow the strict guidelines and standards. Hope all of the above mentioned things will help you take your business to the next level. Now, try this by yourself. If you find any difficulties or you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to write down in the comment section. We are always here to sort out your issues. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your Amazon society. Till then, stay safe, stay with us, goodbye.